Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Spring Tool in your computer in a very simple way. Before that, you just need to make sure you rightly installed JDK into your computer. For checking it, you just need to come over into the search option, come over into the CMD prompt and then go for run as administrator. And after that, here you just need to type java space dash dash call version and then click enter. And after that, as you can see that I rightly installed Java 23.0.2 into our computer. And after completing that, close it and then go for any of your favorite browser. And into the search option, you just simply search for Spring Tool. Click on that and then you will get this website called spring.io. Click on this. And after that, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find this option called Spring Tool for Eclipse, Spring Tool for Visual Studio Code, and Spring Tools for TIA. So we will going to download Spring Tool for Eclipse and then going to download it this version called 4.28.1 Windows x86/64-bit. So going to click on it, and after a very short time you will get the download option over here. So if you click on the download, and as you can see the zip folder is downloading right now. So it will take some seconds to complete. For that, you just need to keep patience. And as you can see that your Spring Tool is rightly downloaded. And now what you can do is just simply minimize your all browser, and then if you just go for your file explorer, and then if you go for the download section, as you can see here is your file is rightly downloaded. And now if you have to extract it, so click on the right mouse button and then click on extract all and click on extract. And as you can see that your file is now copying or extracting, so it will take some seconds to complete. For that, keep patience. And as you can see that your file has been completed, and now if you open it, you can simply right now you just need to click on the right mouse button and then change the name over here, going to delete like this, and then you just need to open your file. And then you just need to click on Spring Tool Suite, click on this, and now minimize all the background over here. And now if you click on this and then click on launch, and as you can see, your Spring Tool Suite 4 is rightly opening in your computer. And as you can see, your Spring Tool Suite 4 is rightly open in your computer. And now if you just create any Java project, you can simply click on a Java project and simply you can create a Java project for your Spring Tool. So this is how you can simply download and install Spring Tool in your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.